Okay, go.
Buster in his new boots because he's been freezing his feet off. Let's see how it works, Buster. Come on. Come on.
He looks embarrassed.
So embarrassed. Come on, Buster. Come on, Buster. Aww. It's okay. When you go outside, you'll like it. Come on, Buster. That didn't take long. Oh, Buster, let's get the last one back. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. 1 out of 3, that's not too bad. There we go. Put it back in. Good boy. Good boy. We'll put it around and tighten the strap. There we go. How's that? Look odd. Come on, Buster. Oh. Jingle dog, jingle Buster. You look so happy. Good boy. Only 2 off. Working on number 3. Poor Buster. But these will help you in the snow, Buster. Oh. One leg in the front. One leg on the back.
Oh, he looks embarrassed.
No. Well, you should. You should be saying, thank you for caring enough about me. Buster, come on. What happened to this one? Oh, it's not tight enough. This is the extra smalls. Boy, you got super extra small legs.
Aww, he looks embarrassed. Can I stop taping this now?
Yep.